I'm wearing this yellow top from Primark, and I wanted to do a makeup tutorial that would go with it, because I know that I do get asked a lot of questions about yellow clothes, yellow saris in particular, and what eyeshadows to go with it. So I've done this one, and it's very glittery. We are coming up to Christmas, and that's another reason to do something like this. Using my Nisha Dazzledust brush, I'm using Inglot's number 474, and I'm going to apply that halfway to the inner corner of the eye. And I'm just patting that on, no need to blend. If you blend this yellow, it kind of just disappears. If you pat it on, it kind of stays stronger. I don't want to take it into the crease, I just want to take it up to the crease. I'm taking a flat brush, and I'm going to use this pink pigment, which is by Barry M, and the number is Barry M number 9. I'm going to take a little bit on my brush, and I'm just going to sort of pat that on the crease, only up to about just a little bit over halfway. I think that is halfway, and then I'm just going to wing that out slightly. I don't want it to fall onto the yellow. And then whatever you have left on the brush, just take that forward. Don't go up too high here with this, because it's a pigment and it's quite reflective. It's not always too attractive if it comes up over here, so just leave it concentrated in this corner. Then I'm using number 363 by Inglot. The same brush, and applying that on the outer corner to that area there where the outer corner meets the what do you call that, end of the eyebrow. I'm not taking it past any further than that. Literally just packing that colour on there. And I'm taking that colour just sort of about, you know, the rest of the way where it butts up to that yellow, not taking it over the yellow at all. Taking a soft brush, just blending that out, just there at that outer corner where it's very strong. You'll notice that I've got some product here under my eyes, and that's actually residual eyeliner and glitter from the last tutorial I did, which was yesterday. I have had a shower, I did take my makeup off, but I always get that there. I probably just don't clean it right, but I actually like it. It just adds, you know, more smolder to the makeup look that you do afterwards, so I kind of leave that on there. And you'll notice that it's still got the green glitter as well from yesterday, which is going to go so well with this look, so I wanted that to stay there. I really like that. So it's not that, well, it is that I haven't cleaned my eyes properly, but it's deliberate. I want that there. I'm going to take Inglot's number 63. It can be any black eyeshadow. Same on that brush. I'm just going to put that just in that corner there, at that angle, just to give a bit more depth. Okay, now check the yellow that it hasn't reduced, and it hasn't, but if it does, just pack on some more yellow, and then just check that line, and very gently just tap between the yellow and that brown, just to soften that edge a little bit. and that looks fine to me. I've cleaned off my brush on a baby wipe so that there's no brown left on it. I'm taking Myler Eyeshadow. I'm going to use that to highlight. I'm using Berry M Pigment number 76. I'm going to use that with a little bit of Primer Potion on the end of my brush, just to help me grab it, and that's what I've got to hand. Use water or mixing medium if you have it. Just picking up a little bit of that colour. Then I'm taking the Inglot Glitter Eyeliner that I used in yesterday's tutorial, of which you can see some, and I'm going to apply that just under. I'm going to use a liner brush and MAC's Blacktrack. I'm going to do the eyeliner. Okay, so if you've noticed, my eyeliner here has gone really wide. If I take it off, I'm going to leave a big blobby mess. So I'm just going to make that one wider too now. We'll take that over. Very small strokes. You can use any ordinary black kohl pencil. Today's one is Lancome's. My cat eye isn't as catty as it is on the other side. I'm just going to fix that. Inglot's number 70 concealer. So just using this colour, which is number 16, it's just a dark grey brown colour from Inglot, and I'm just going to apply a little bit on my eyebrows. Don't need much, just a teeny tiny bit. My foundation is Mineralise Foundation by MAC. Blush wise, I'm going to use my favourite blush from Inglot. It's number 52. To finish, I'm going to go in with Touch lipstick. So the look is done. It's absolutely stunning, I think. The eyes are so, how do you describe them? I can't find a word to describe them right now, but they are stunning. Actually, that's the word I'm going to describe them with. I think they really stand out. Lipstick is a bit muted, I think. I could maybe pick it up with a bit of pink, like Grenadine from MAC. But I think for me, right now, because I'm going to go out, I'm going to stick to this one. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I really do hope you try it for yourself. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and comment. Bye.